Is windshield protection film worth getting installed on your windshield? That is a question I have wondered going back to 2018. It is a question I have been asked in the comments section of multiple YouTube videos that we have posted on our Drive Protected YouTube channel. It is a question I have been asked by multiple customers of mine in southern Manitoba, where we're located, up in Canada. It is a question that every installer that I've talked to who installs it kind of gives you mixed vibes, mixed feelings about how good of a product this is. So therefore, it is a product that I've always stayed away from talking about because I'm not an actual expert in it. Until today, I'm still not an expert in it, but I'm expert enough to give my opinions and why I think wasting your money on windshield protection film is just honestly not worth it. This 2022 BMW X5 M competition was bought by a customer of ours just a couple weeks ago, and it's got, I think, 20,000 kilometers or so on the odometer. So it's a couple years old, and it's seen some kilometers, some miles for all you American viewers. Honestly, I'm going to insert some clips of what it's like sitting on the inside of the vehicle and then looking out, but the windshield is completely distorted. There's all kinds of glares that are coming off the lights. There's all kinds of pitting, and the film is even delaminating all over the place, like over here, especially really bad over there on the passenger side. And it just makes me wonder, and this is going to be funny because this channel is called Drive Protected, which encompasses all aspects of protection for a vehicle, but here I am advocating against getting windshield protection film installed on your vehicle. Honestly, get a rock chip, go get the windshield replaced. If it's not big enough to warrant replacement, go get it fixed, go get it filled. If it starts to crack, just go get it replaced. I don't know what the insurance is going to be like wherever you guys are who are watching this, but I can tell you firsthand as someone who replaced a windshield about a month ago, on my Tesla, it's about a $2,000 windshield. I paid a $300 deductible and I got a brand new windshield because I had multiple chips that had cracked and spread across the glass. I would rather pay $300 once a year than have to spend, I don't know, $400, $500, $600, $700, maybe even more to get windshield protection film installed and have this start to deteriorate as you're driving. I think when it comes to the glass, you shouldn't be messing around with glass. It's the one area that people are looking out of. And then another question that I have is, what happens if you're in a really bad accident and they have to smash this windshield to get you out of the vehicle? You've already got a film on there. Is that going to prevent the emergency services from actually being able to go in there and get you out of the vehicle? It's a product that I can't recommend, and these are all the reasons why. I'm not going to sit here and rant for 15, 20 minutes about why I don't like this film. There's enough evidence right here on this windshield to show you why this is not something you should put on your vehicle. And it's not a product that I can actually recommend to you guys to offer in your community, wherever you're installing paint protection film or ceramic coatings or window tint. If you're thinking about offering this, don't just look at this as another way to increase the revenue of your business. You don't want to increase your revenue in your business just for the expense or just for the idea of bringing in more revenue. There has to be a reason why you want to offer it. Yeah, you can sell customers on your windshield's not going to get cracked, but look at this. Look at how bad this looks. So I'm going to kind of end the video right here. As you guys can tell, if you've been on this channel for a while, if you've been watching me, you know that I'm better off behind the camera installing the paint protection film than I am in front of the camera explaining why you should get paint protection film, how you should install it, that type of thing. But when it comes to window film, this is a video I've been wanting to make for quite some time, and I've never had my opportunity to make it until now. I don't want to be one of those people out there that just talks about stuff that they're not experienced in. And although I'm not experienced in installing window protection film, I'm experienced enough just looking at this to tell you that it's not worth getting on your vehicle. So I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Maybe you didn't. If you did or you didn't, let me know in the comments below whether you have windshield protection film. Maybe this is a one-off situation where this is just a bad batch of film and this is just an anomaly and this doesn't actually happen. Maybe this is something that happens all the time. Let me know in the comments below. But thanks a lot for watching. If you guys enjoyed this video and you want to see more videos like this, including me removing this stuff off the windshield, make sure you hit the subscribe button, hit the like button, and we'll see you guys in the next video. Thanks for watching.